And again, welcome back to our channel, and today as usual we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can easily log into your Fidelity account on your app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that you will do is make sure your app is downloaded and is updated, and then you will simply tap on that app. And once your app is open, then you will simply see this particular interface where you will have to type in your username, and then you will add in your password. And once you're done with your password, you will simply see this option called sign in, where you will simply tap on it and then you will get signed into the account. And there is another option called forgot password. If you have forgotten your password that you just added, then you can simply tap on this forgot password option and then you will reset your password. And if you don't have an account, you can simply tap on this open an account option where you can create a new account on your Fidelity. So this is how you can simply log into your Fidelity app account. And I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you have more questions, do leave them on comments below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and I'll see you guys next time.